Yo, what is going on YouTube? I have another big week for you guys. As you guys know that I'm doing a $25 to $1,000 account challenge just because, like I said in my last video, it's challenging, right? And I'm going to put up a screenshot right here, and we're already at 61. We're way above, well, not way, we're well above 100% profit return so far. So what I'm going to show you right now on the screen actually is a couple of positions, right? There is a GBP USD. The first two positions on GBP USD I actually broke down in this video, as I then followed it up with episode 1 with the next two GJ positions right there, right, where we won. And now I'm going to be showing you how we just won these final 3 GU positions for shorts, right, in today's video. Now, literally since September has started, just like I said, the market's going to pick back up. I've been calling out the most fire signals. GU wins, undefeated. The Discord has been undefeated since September 1st. Undefeated, all TPs hit. Another GJ long, TPs hit. Sell GBP USD, all TPs ended up hitting. Keep scrolling. Buy USD JPY, all TPs hit. We've been calling these out and we've been on fire, and it's shown on this account challenge. Now, again, I want to get back to the GU sells that you saw, right? The next in our trading. Now, this is where we took our GU shorts, right? I'm going to keep this video as short and as simple as I can, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I actually continued the winning streak, right? And we took some GU shorts, right? You're going to see right here that coming into the week, right, coming into session actually, we had GBP USD do a couple of things that gave us some indications that we were going to go short, right? We had a bunch of confluences, right? And it all started off with the previous week coming up here, hitting the supply and demand area, pulling back, failure to make highs, right? It failed to reach these highs. So to me, this right here was the beginning of the bearish move, right? We had a lower high right here. This is a lower high right here, which was then followed by a lower low, right? So in this instance, once I'm seeing something like this, right, I know I'm going to go short. We're just going to see why and what other confluences we have, right, and where we're going to enter. You can see right here that GBP USD was also projecting 50 SMAs right here. We had a lower low to a lower high, right? So what was I looking for? I was looking for price to actually short in this area right here, short in this area up here, and then reach the supply and demand area down here where we have reached before. There's something that I teach in my academy, and I think it's something very unique that not a lot of traders do, right? But there are some scenarios where I do enter off based off a breakout strategy, right? Coming into session, before session, we kind of create this little range right here, right, where price is a little indecisive, right? We're moving right here, right? Although it's indecisive on the lower time frames, when you look on the 4-hour, right, when you look on the 4-hour, we have multiple confluences, right? We're going to take this Fibonacci, and we're going to see that price is heavily rejecting the 0.38. On top of the 0.38, price is also rejecting the 50 moving average, and it's also broken under and came on top, and then retesting this area of support and resistance that we have right here, right? It was drawn wrongly when I first started the video. That's all right, but you can see right here price has rejected once, right, twice, 3 times, and now price has hovered back into this spot again, right? So what am I waiting for now, right? This is us coming into session, right? And I feel as though price is going to end up breaking under, giving us a little retest, right? And then actually continuing to go short, right? Now, why am I looking to get down here than up here? Well, sometimes when you wait and you're disciplined to trading your own session, you're going to miss out on some moves, and that's okay, right? Remember, you're going to miss out on some moves, and that's fine. You can't catch every move in the market. So in this instance, yes, I had some entries up here before London session. I didn't want to take them, so I'm going to take the next best setup for me, and I'm going to take the breakout out of this entry right here. So as we're pushing into session, right, I kind of have everything I need low-key, right? Before session gave me the retest of the support and resistance, the moving average, and now right now currently I'm just going to wait for the volume in London session to kind of pick up, and I'm going to do that by entering a position as we break under right here, right? And you're going to see that price does exactly what we say with absolutely zero drawdown, and it smashes through RTPs. Literally, this trade ended up going for 85 pips, 10 times our reward. We obviously didn't hold that long, right? No one in the Discord held that long because I did have a set TP, right? But we did manage to secure around the supply and demand area down here for a nice, healthy profit for 3 positions in our GU cells, as you guys see. Now, the real lesson in this video is going to be coming from our second trade, and this is going to be GBP JPY. Right now, what you're going to see right here is actually 4 positions that kind of don't even amount to any kind of loss, right? There were kind of positions that I kind of just, you know, got in, got out, right? Also just got out break even. Someone went into profit, got out to break even. That's why you see like a 10 cent loss, 20 cent loss, and then you know, I took a UAUD USD that I wasn't confident in, which actually won. But you know, regardless, following these right here that you're going to see, because I'm keeping it real, those are all break-even trades. You're going to see 3 GBP USD losses, right? And then you're going to see the last 3 GBP pairs right here, which ends in profit, right? And that put us into profit. So yes, we took a small loss, but I'm going to show you guys how we were actually able to identify those fake outs and then went for GBP JPY shorts, which then made our losses back and more, right? The power of risk to reward, right? So again, just to recap, there's about 4 positions here with different pairs, all break even. GBP 3 positions, GBP losses, kind of. We cut them short because we realized the fake out, and then we took the final trades of the night, which was GBP JPY shorts that I'm going to break down right here after we identified the fake out. Now, coming into session, right, with GBP JPY, right, we see a clear uptrend, right? We can see that price comes up, breaks a higher high, comes down, higher low, rejects the 0.618, and then comes up and create a higher high, right? So anybody looking at this that knows market structure, that bases their trading based off market structure, can see that create a higher high here, right? You can also see that we have a strong area of support and resistance right here, here, right at this level. So anybody right now would probably be looking to take a long at this level and potentially long to the next highs, right? That was the original plan for me. So what actually happened, right? When you look at it right here, you're going to see like, what the fuck, what are you doing? And I'm going to actually break it down for you guys, right? So again, just like I said, I'm looking for price to come down, and yes, we're on the lower time frames. I'm looking for price to come down and retest off this level to go long, right? I didn't have any entry. I didn't have any price action, right? I did have price do a couple of things though, right? I did have price fall under this area of support and resistance, right? And as price breaks back above, I'm actually going to look to take longs, right? The reason being is because the Fibonacci is showing me some type of rejection at the 0.38 on the higher time frames, right? Also, this is where I wanted to long earlier when a bullish trend, right? I didn't want to go against the trend, and as price starts to break above, we actually took long somewhere in here, right? Aggressive longs, just like that. So when we took these longs, what happened? Price actually faked us out, right? And broke right back under support and resistance, just like that, right? The second we got this type of price action right here, right? The second that my longs failed, right? We come up down here, right? We come up, we start breaking through this area of support and resistance. I was so confident, right? Price is starting to push up, and then price automatically just drops, right? And the second this happened, I said, okay, this is a fake out. I'm going to be looking for shorts because I do believe that right now price did just fake all the buyers out, right? And now we broke back under to take them out, right, to go short. But how am I going to enter that trade? I just need some price action, right? And this is it right here. Us holding now, right, and rejecting this area of support and resistance right here is what's going to give it away, right? Is what's going to give it away. And just like I said in the GU trade, right, I'm actually going to take a breakout entry again, right? The reason being is because it's a lot more safe, it's a lot more secure, and now that we're holding, this trade is actually higher probability, right? After we ended up getting faked out for a slight loss because we ended up cutting it and price broke under, we simply just have to hold under this area. The more that the price is actually going to trade under this area, you just got to tell yourself, all right, price is trading under this area, it's continuing to trade, it's not breaking through, so potentially we could see shorts coming off this area, right? And what happens, price actually does do with that exact thing, right? Price actually comes up, keeps retesting that area, and then eventually goes shorts and takes all of our profits, makes back this slight loss and some, right? Oops. So anyways, as I was saying, these are the GBP-JPYs that I kind of wanted to show, right? And I kind of wanted to signal and tell you guys the importance of managing and realizing these fake outs. Fake outs is one of the hardest things that I had to come across in trading because they're so hard to identify, right? Sometimes you don't know what the market's going to do, but through experience, I'm telling you, everybody's going to be able to catch these moves just like I am right now, right? So again, these were the GBP-JPY longs that got faked out, cut them short, and then we ended up going short to actually put us up in profit like 50 something dollars, right? Currently we're at 61, right? So tomorrow and Thursday and Friday I'm going to be dropping videos every single day. I'm going to be showing you every step of the way, right? Again, obviously we're at 61. This is only some of the trades. This is actually a preview of what I'm going to be showing, all the trades that I've taken so far, because I am recording this a little not ahead of time, but when these trades already happened. I'm already like 3 trades in advance, right? I know what's gonna happen in the future. I'm gonna win. But yeah, fake outs, right? Fake outs. I'm actually gonna make a whole video about them, right, and how to identify them. And this is a great scenario on how I identified the GBP JPY shorts, and we ended up taking the shorts as price came down, right? Again, this account is already over 100%, and I'm gonna be showing you every step of the way until we get to phase 2, which is $100. Once we get to $100, we're gonna revisit this and we're gonna go over the next plan. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy what I'm doing right now. It's a little quick challenge, right? So I'll see you guys tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday and Friday video every single day. Doses.